Hello, everybody. Let's check a short video on how to check your hard drive, solid state drive, USB drive, any disk that is connected to your computer to check its health, to see if it has errors or there's an imminent failure. And it's very simple. We're coming here to the search box and we will type CMD, which is a command prompt, and we will run as administrator. If it asks you for a yes or no, you click yes, and here we will type CHKDSK C colon /F. Suggestion: do lowercase f, and hit enter, and it's going to tell you that CHKDSK cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. It's because my C drive is my Windows operating system drive, and it's running right now. So it's asking you if you want to allow it to check the volume the next time Windows restarts, and we will hit yes. So the next time you turn on your computer or you restart your computer, it will perform a check disk utility, and then Windows will load. This happens only when the drive you're checking is the drive that has your running operating system. But also, you can use this for other drives that are not your primary drive. So let's say here we come to this PC. I have 3 disks here. One of them is Linux G. So here I'm going to type CHKDSK or check disk. Instead of C, I'm going to go with G colon space / lowercase f and hit enter. And here you see that it scanned your G drive and it found no problems. Everything's working fine. I'm going to close here and I'm going to show you another way to check a disk that is not your primary disk. Right here on this PC, I'm going to right click on Kali Linux G disk with a right click, the right button of the mouse. You will get a menu and we will click the last option, properties. And here it shows your disk, the size and everything, and what you have free space and use space. And here you have tags. You go to tools. We check on tools. You have 2 options. Check. This option will check the drive for file system errors. And you have optimize or the defragmenter. We're going to use check. Here it opens another little window, and you click scan drive. It's very fast, and it says Windows successfully scanned the drive, no errors were found. Why we do this? Because when your disk has errors, you could lose important information that you don't have anywhere else, like pictures, documents, videos, and you could lose everything. So that's all for today. You learned something new, checking your disk health or any disk health. And this is on a Windows computer.